I'm Dr. Fredina here with the Holistic Wellness Tip. Today is on lifestyle wellness, dealing with anxiety and interactions with others. All right, so before we get started, make sure you have your water, sanitize your hands, because we're going into Fredina's kick art. We're going into dealing with this anxiety. We're going to kick it out and punch it out. So when you think about anxiety in relationships, interact with others, we got to, first of all, we know we get frustrated, aggravated, and our blood pressure once rises up. So we don't want to deal with chronic disease. So the first thing we do is just stop. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, as that thought comes to your mind, what can you really do about this situation with this other person? It might be a family member. It might be a next door neighbor. It might be someone on the job. But first, regardless of what they said or how they treat you, we need to first look within ourselves. So first thing we're going to do is we're dealing with that, getting rid of this anxiousness to want to say something back we shouldn't say, to want to do something we shouldn't do, because we know that vengefulness is not good. Doing tit for tat is not good. We're only hurting ourselves. We can't change the other person. So the first thing we're going to do is we think about our spiritual man. What do we need to deal with this before we take it outward? We need to deal with self-control. So in the area of being frustrated, aggravated, it's okay to be there, but we're not going to let it take us out of who we are. So first thing, we got to practice self-control. All right, I don't like what was said. I don't like how it's being treated. It wasn't right. Okay, but can I change the other person? Now, as I'm going on down with that self-control will help me deal with my soul care. Feelings of, I'm going to say something back. I'm frustrated. I'm aggravated. I am not going to speak. I'm going to pull away. Not healthy. All right. So then now it comes out in our physical body. So we're going to just punch through that. Now, as we punching, doing our exercises, we want to make sure as we punch, we don't lock out. Then it's back. So I'm going to punch out frustration. I'm going to punch out. I'm going to get back. I'm just going to punch it out. Punch it. Exhale as I'm punching. Blow it out. Now, I know as I'm punching, back filled out, releasing some of that tension. But as I'm punching here, I'm also realizing that I'm putting pressure on my other body because I'm holding things in. So as I punch, I want to make sure I take the weight off of my back by turning my body as I'm going into this Fredina kick out, punching out, then I'm going to get back at that person. Punching out is not working out for me. Punching out all that doubt and negative. Punching out. So I'm pivoting my body, taking the pressure, stress off my lower body and back. And I'm also breathing out anxiety, breathing out hurt, breathing out disappointment, breathing out desire to want to be anxious to go and retaliate. All righty, I got that under control. I'm doing self-discipline because I'm telling myself I'm held accountable for me. So I might not like what that person did, but when I see that person the next time, I'm going to continue to keep being respectful, polite. I'm going to speak life. I'm not going to allow them to let negative words come out of my mouth because of what they said or how they treated me. Okay, got that together. I'm still frustrated. It's okay. So I think I'm going to kick some of this stuff out. As I kick, I must make sure that my supporting leg, I bend that knee, so I'm going to kick it out. I'm going to kick it out. I might even do a little side kick to take it off my side kick. Swing it around, kicking it out. Kick it out. I'm feeling a little better, but still, why did they treat me like that? Why did I get disrespected? Why? Stop. Why am I allowing this to frustrate me? I have no control of another person. I'm just going to walk it out and think about this. I'm held accountable for me. It wasn't right how I was treated. I didn't get the job because of things that were said about evaluation, or the person just doesn't like me. I can't change their thoughts for me, but I continue to believe who I am, continue to act right, and continue to move forward and release some of this tension. Keep kicking it out and punching it out and breathing it out. My thoughts are going to be on godly thoughts, those things are honest, pure, just. My walk is not going to be on low self-esteem, insecurity, or anger, frustration, I'm feeling better. I can do this. Start spiritually, self-discipline, knowing who I am, soul care, removing frustration, aggravation, trying to figure out why. But if it's constructive criticism, I'm going to endure it. I'm going to breathe it in, chew it, swallow it, and let it come up the right way. And continue to move forward.